So hey guys, so in today's case study, I'm gonna be talking about a website where we did the work mostly on the technical stuffs. So there were only two areas that we worked. One was the technical issues fixation, like making the page more responsive and fast, and the other one was simply quality content. We didn't do any sort of on-page optimization. We didn't focus on that. We didn't focus on link building or so this website was pretty much a newer one, and they didn't have any SEO practices. They didn't have any credibility with Google. They didn't have any relation to Google. The first thing we did was work on quality content. So let's see some data how it looks like. So this is a website from a gaming industry. So basically, they are promoting games which people can play online, and kind of get some deposits, get some money. That's how they earn the revenue. So initially, we didn't focus much on page optimization. We didn't focus much on link building. Our solely focus was making that particular page valuable, making that particular page informative, making the website fast. So as you can see the result here, let's load up to the last 16 months. So if you could see, the impressions are good, the clicks are good, the CTR is good. So there was a time where the impressions actually got a very good boom in between because of the hype in that industry that was being made. So up till now, it's been going all good. So I hardly remember our team working on any backlink building. So and no any works on that. So like I mentioned, our complete work has been on working on the website's performance factors, core vitals, and making our making our gaming pages interactive, quality, working on server side rendering. So that's how it turned out to be a game changer for this industry. And like I showed earlier, the web vitals, we worked on that, and it is pretty good both on mobile and both on desktop. And interestingly, the crawl rate has also been improved. So if you could see over here, the response time has dropped down to 457. Initially, it was somewhere around 1k milliseconds. That was the crawl response time. But now, since the contents are being optimized well, the users are interacting well with the website, the response time is pretty much good. And also, if we go till the end, so if we look at the Google bots crawling, they are crawling the smartphones much faster than desktop, right? So in most cases, the users are coming more towards smartphone devices. So we optimized our website's performance for mobile devices pretty good, and that's how the Google is crawling our smartphones faster. So uh, the key takeaway from this case study I wanted to share is it's not always about link building. It's always not about on-page optimization. It's about the performance factors too. So if you do work on improving the performance of your website, then Google will reward you for sure. And apart from that, if you optimize your pages, contents properly by following all the guidelines, by making it valuable, making it interactive, so it's gonna obviously reward you. So if you are working on any frameworks like Next, Node, uh, just ensure your server-side rendering is pretty much fixed. It doesn't have anything to do with your ranking, but it has uh, it has this phenomena where it contributes to users' experience. So this is the takeaway: focus on your website, maximize its performance, build its performance, optimize it, and make the content and the pages pretty much interactive and valuable. And that is how sometimes ACO works for different industries. So, yeah, thank you. We'll be uploading other case studies sooner.